Shot, 12 gauge, 2.5 inch, 2 and 3/4 inch. We'll go 3, 4, 5, and I'll hand carry 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some guys walk out there and they set up the targets, you know.
Yeah.
Keep pointed down range, safe. One, 2, tube. All 4 rounds in this tube. The action's closed. It's ready to fire, and all of them are loaded here. So I'll fire the first one. I'm gonna fire at that box right there. You go like this.
Oh shoot, that's loud.
Got it. Now the plastic one here. Woo, we're tearing it up. Now we'll shoot that white thing out there. And that's it. Yep, that's it. Those 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, this will blow stuff away. Let me try to get that. Let's try to get that Savila container. I don't like it. Woo. The box behind it, I'm gonna get to. Yep, got it. Let's see what else we see out there. You see on the top of a ridge, there's like a little bit of a,
Yeah, I see
like
it.
a little ridge. And on the top there's like a little can or a rock or something. I'm gonna try to hit that. Yeah. And there's a box on the left, the blue one.
Siempre me tapas.
Huh?
Quiero agarrarte from this side.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get that blue box. I think that's it. Yeah. Now it's empty. Check it. Empty, 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 empty. Leave it open. Down range, and that's it.